Okay, setting up a knee wrap here. Bailey is taking the lifter's calf and ankle, put it between his legs. Pretty common practice. And he is starting to wrap at the bottom of the knee, which isn't often done, but either way, starting from the top or the bottom is accepted. So, good way to start. You find a groove between the calf and the knee, and then you just go. So you notice the edge of that wrap is being layered over the previous rotation in the center. And this is a pretty simple wrap. We're just going up and then right back down. You can form an X over, anything like that. There's lots of different methods. Always make sure that you keep tension in that strap, in that wrap as well. This is very important for performance. So we tied off this strap, and you can't really see the angle on this leg, but you'll be able to see it on the next one. But this is, we're just using a simple lifting strap, and this way it makes it easy to pull that strap off, or that knee wrap off. So here we go, working on that second leg. Again, same practice. That ankle and calf is between the wrapper's legs. Starting that wrap in the groove between the calf and the knee. Rotating the wrap outside the knee. And layering the edge of each rotation to the previous rotation's center. And going back down. So again, keeping that tension in each revolution and then pulling it tight in front of the knee. You don't want to pull it tight from while it's behind the knee, because that can cause some damage. So here's that lifting strap. Pay attention there. We wrap it around. We're going to put a knot. So we put it through the little loop, and then we pull it through, and then boom. So we don't pull it through all the way. It ain't going to fall apart this way. It's going to be solid throughout the entirety of the squat, and then you just pull it out the bottom. Makes it easy. So here we go. Just did a squat, and boom, look how easy that is. No struggle, super easy to pull off.